nice vantage point from here. Hey guys, it's Jay's here from Nutracise, up here at the Ben Lomond National Park. Going to check out Leggers Tor today. It's the second highest point in Tasmania, and even though I live very close, I haven't actually done it, so I'm going to tick it off the bucket list today, and hopefully they'll get a bit of a view. There is a bit of cloud cover, hopefully it clears up, but yeah, it doesn't look too good at the moment. Alright guys, let's check it out. Okay, so the start of the walk is pretty easy to find. As the sign says, it should be a very short walk to the summit, and yeah, tick it off the bucket list. Yeah. It's a common sight for the tracks to turn into creeks, especially up near the peak of mountains. All the water just runs down the footpath, so make sure you don't do it with me and wear sneakers, otherwise you're going to get wet feet. Some nice mountain huts there. At least if I ever get stuck, I've got a nice place to stay. How good's that? Okay, starting to see the ski fields there. No snow though. If there was snow, I'd be really struggling. And then I believe I've got to go up here to conquer the summit. There she is, and there is not much view up here. Oh. Okay guys, at the second highest peak in Tassie, and it is absolutely cloudy. Can't see a single thing. Yeah, you win some and you lose some, but it's good to finally tick it off the bucket list. And yeah, it's on a clear day you'd see a fair bit, but yeah, it is what it is. You win some and you lose some, guys. Alrighty, quick little pano around and I'll finish up this video. Cheers.